Are you also tired of being stuck in the trading maze, desperately seeking success? In today's video, we dive into the harsh reality of trading. Discover the secrets to becoming a profitable trader, even if you're just an average person. Learn to embrace uncertainty, simplify your approach, and trade fearlessly. Don't give up. This video is for those who are determined to make it in the world of trading. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. If you've been on the trading roller coaster and it's left you dazed and confused, this video is your lifeline. Today, we're revealing the unvarnished truth about trading and how you can still find success, even if you're not a genius. You, like many, have ventured into the world of trading with dreams of financial freedom. You've seen others flaunt their extravagant lifestyles and thought, I'd be content just taking care of my bills, family, and escaping that job I don't love. Well, you're not alone. The average retail trader makes around $100,000 to $200,000 a year. But here's the cold, hard truth. Trading is one of the toughest entrepreneurial pursuits. There are no rules, no guidelines, just charts and your decisions. But we're here to help you navigate this storm. Watch the videos on this channel. Most watching this video and scanning the videos on this channel won't become profitable traders, and that's the sad reality. But we're speaking to those who won't give up, who will keep trying until they succeed. For me, my plan was simple. Learn trading and get profitable. My plan B. Well, plan B was to try plan A in a different way until I succeeded. There was no plan C because giving up was never an option. To succeed in trading, you must accept uncertainty. When you look at a chart, you have no idea what's going to happen next. It's almost like gambling, and that's the essence of trading. But here's the secret. You just need to make a bit more money when you're right than you lose when you're wrong. It's that simple. If your win rate is, say, 60%, and you make enough to cover your losses and keep some profit, you'll be a profitable trader. The challenge is that many people give up in this situation because they want a 100% winning strategy. Keeping things simple is key. My trading approach is so straightforward. I hardly need to draw anything on my charts. You are looking at the trading system that I use every day in my trading. It uses simple charts, clear support and resistance zones, and a plan. That's it. I have shared many videos on this channel on how I use this system. Look for them. I've been doing this profitably for over 5 years, and I keep it simple, repeatable, and consistent. Some days I win, some days I lose, but it's all part of the game. Trading fearlessly is essential. Emotion has no place in trading. When you switch to a live account, emotions kick in, and they can wreak havoc on your decision-making. You need to trade with zero emotion, and you develop this confidence by starting small, gradually scaling up as you gain experience. Trading should be a repetitive, emotionless endeavor. Stick to your plan, manage risk, and accept that there will be ups and downs. So, there you have it, the cold, hard truth about trading. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who persevere, the rewards can be significant. Remember to embrace uncertainty, keep it simple, and trade without fear. If you're up for the challenge, you might just find success in the world of trading. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with fellow traders. Follow us on social media for more trading tips and updates. Stay fearless, stay profitable, and never stop learning.